Hello to you, and thank you for being a course reviewer. This is Dina, and I am going to chair the course review team that you've been assigned to. I know that you might have worked with other instructional designers, and we all have our own unique way of collecting our input, so I wanted to share with you how I like to collect information from a course readiness report. I like to use a form. What you see online is the traditional course readiness report, where we do collect responses from all of the course reviewers. So I don't want you to be intimidated. The form that you are going to see is an exact replication of this exact information. So there's nothing different that you're going to see in the form that you don't see in this Word document here. So in order to begin the review, you're going to need several things. First, let's make sure that you have, and I'll include this in the email, the course readiness criteria document. These are the detailed explanations on how you would score each area of the rubric. It's provided with annotations to give you ideas so that you can make an informed course review. So my suggestion is to print this particular document out, this course readiness criteria. I find it easier as I'm working through the Blackboard course and trying to compare it to this criteria, that it's much easier for me to have this on either a separate device or on a printed document near me, and it's easier to reference this. So that's the first thing you need, is your readiness criteria. Then, of course, you're going to need to open the course in Blackboard. In the email that I sent you, I indicated exactly which course you would find in your My Courses link. So you would open that particular course and begin to work through your Blackboard course and what it contains. So you're comparing what's in the review criteria to what you're seeing in Blackboard. Then you'll be ready to begin scoring using this form that I sent to you. Once you click the link, the form would open up. It looks like this, and you click Start to begin. It asks you initially to put your name, your email, and the title of the course that you have been assigned to review. Please be as detailed as possible with this name, or you can even copy it directly from the email that I sent to you. Now, you'll find that there are 4 separate areas in the review rubric, and there are going to be 4 different screens that will show up for you to place your review comments in this form. You may want to do these one form at a time or one section at a time, and you are most welcome to do that. I know that as an instructor you have a very busy schedule, and being able to do these in one sitting might not be possible. So let's say that you want to do your online organization design only today. Once you finish putting in your information, notice this button down below, Save and Continue Later. You'll find this on any screen in this form and allow you, just like it says, to save the work you've already begun and open it again at a later time and complete your work. So I wanted to point that out. Inside the boxes, once you make a determination of where the particular course you're reviewing falls within these criteria, the only thing you need to be sure to do is to put the number first, the scoring number. And let me remind you that we got that from this online course readiness report. So in this first area, web design and organization, if it's exemplary, I give it a 7, effective 5, or needs revision a 0. So if I return here, exemplary was a 7. Now you may want to also add your suggestions or any extra comments that you have. Those can be made right after you put the number in there. If you need to use more than 4 or 5 sentences here, I do have an area at the end of this form where you can put much more detailed comments, including hyperlinks to websites that you might want to refer them to, or to other documents that you want to share with them. So if you have really extensive feedback for a particular area, I suggest that you reserve that to the very last screen on the form. So again, I'm going to quickly just go through this where you can see an example. I'm only going to put numbers. You get the idea, though, that you would put a number and your comments in each area. Notice here that there's a scroll button, so you will need to fill out each one or it won't let you progress to the next area. So if it's not letting you and you see this red pop up, maybe scroll down and make sure that you've put a number value in every square. So under evaluation and feedback, let's put some more numbers here. And here under additional suggestions, this is the area I spoke to you about that you could put extensive feedback here. You can even put smiley faces, you can link images in here, documents, or you can hyperlink to web pages. So whatever kind of suggestions or feedback you want to provide, this gives you a large area to be able to do that if you need it. This score is automatically totaled, so you don't need to mess with this number here. I just wanted you to see this total number in relationship to what you had done. And when you are completely finished, you will click Submit. You'll see a confirmation that the form was sent. You'll also receive an email confirmation saying that your review is complete, and you will have a copy of exactly what you input on those documents. It's not difficult. It is a new process, I know, so if you have any questions about using the form or you get lost anywhere, feel free to reach out to me by email. We'll be working together on these course reviews anyway, and I'm trying to make this as efficient as I possibly can for you as a faculty reviewer and to help save some of your time. So thank you again for agreeing to be part of the review team, and I look forward to working with you.